You want to get dizzy again? Yeah. Oh, you my baby. Oh, she's turning around. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Be careful of the tiger.
Whee!
Whoa, careful!
You want to go again? Okay. Ready? We'll go the other way. Okay. Woo!
Chloe, you like that?
You want it again? You silly girl. Ready? You enjoying that? Ooh.
I think you might have got her a little too dizzy on that one.
Okay. Let's just rest for a minute.
Where did he go?
You want to come over and...
Where did he go?
Yeah. More?
You don't have to do it.